Alright guys, so today we got the Fresh So Clean company sent a power brush. There we go. Never used one of these before. I usually just use my hands. I don't even really use a towel. And then they also sent a powerful black mask. Let me see, get this. So they also sent the powerful peelable black mask, charcoal infused. Okay, so we're gonna do the review on the brush now. Opened it. Doesn't come with any face soap, so you will have to supply your own soap on this. But when I got it, there's no batteries, so you'll have to get your own 2 AA batteries. So I was walking around my apartment, and this whole brush just literally came off. So like I said, I never used one of these. I'm not too sure if they're supposed to come off that easy, but it literally so it does snap in place where it moves, but then it comes right off. So I'm not too sure if it's like this. Maybe the one might be defective, or they might all like this. They might all be like this. I'm not too sure, but let's give it a shot. So the only thing for me, I like to have like a deep clean, and these brushes are real soft, so I'm not getting the deep clean as I like. But maybe for women, y'all might like this because this is not that harsh. Doesn't feel bad at all. So I think that's clean enough. So let's see, wash it off and see what happens. So now it's time for the black peeling mask, or peel off black mask. Either or, it's the same thing. Alright. So let's read the directions before I fuck up some shit here. Whoa, snap. Ugh. Ladies, how could y'all do this? Oh my god, this is so messy. Oh my god, look at this. This is like gross. Well, I tried my best for my first time. So we got a way, it says wait 20 minutes. So wait 20 minutes, let it dry, and then it's able to peel off. So we'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes are up. Let's start peeling.
Several days later.
So I did this a couple of days ago and saw some good results. So we're gonna try it again and see what kind of other results we get, because now we actually don't have the beard no more. So let's see what kind of results we get out of this. So let me go ahead and put this on, speed things up, and we'll get right to it.
To take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
I just got some in my eye. And it burns so bad. You have no idea how fucking bad this burns. Okay, so this is the end result after using the mask. This is my second time using it, and I actually like the way everything comes out, It's actually not too bad if you see my forehead. I have a really greasy face, and I really honestly never took really that care of it. But actually I do like this. It's real easy to use, and it's actually it's really inexpensive. But if you'd like to try it, I'll go ahead and link it right below in the comments. But other than that, guys, thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.
We'll be right back.